But if it happens to catch it if it's flying around.
It's illegal to keep things alive.
Yes.
But it happens to
So
catch
you
it.
could just release some mice and let them go hunt them.